Hi guys, Aspen here from Drone Energy. Today I'm out testing the Insta360 1x2 again, but this time I want to shoot some footage, some pictures, and you can actually shoot in RAW with this camera. That's really amazing. You have something called Pure Shot, which enhance the raw footage with just one click. So I'm gonna test it today and see if it's possible to shoot pictures with the Insta360. And the great thing about this camera is that you can just point it in whatever direction you want, and you will capture it. So that's a really great thing about 360 camera. I'm looking forward to see how the footage quality is. Probably not high, but maybe it's good enough. The meaning, of course, of this camera isn't just the footage quality, but what you can do with it. That's important. It's a point and shoot camera, and it's an action camera, and it's a 360 camera. So I just want to take some footage and check it out in RAW. So we're going to do that today. So yeah, check it out and please comment what you think. See you, bye. Yeah, that was fun, being outside a little bit for a few hours, taking some pictures with my Insta360 1x2. I just want to see if it's possible to use it as a camera taking pictures. Everything is taken in raw, and I think I'm gonna upload it in with pure shot, with and without. So it's gonna be fun to see how the quality is. I have no idea how the footage looks like right now, but it will be visible when I upload it. So yeah, please comment and say what you think about the image quality, picture quality with the Insta360 One X2. This is all taking on a trail close to my home. It's not possible to travel so much now because of the situation we are in, everybody. So I'm gonna take a lot more test footage with it in Bergen City and stuff, other places of course. So yeah, please comment and of course subscribe if you like my content. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye bye.